Okay, so get ready for this. We are diving deep, deep into the world of extreme exploration.
Oh, this is going to be good.
But with a twist.
Okay, I like twists.
We're going to uncover some crazy parallels between, like, venturing to the South Pole,
Okay.
the icy plains of Antarctica,
All right.
and wait for it, outer space.
Whoa. Okay, that's, I'm intrigued.
I know. It sounds wild, but trust me, the connections they're mind-blowing.
Okay.
So we've got some excerpts from a piece on the history of Antarctic exploration and some info on the SpaceInfo Club.
Oh, cool.
Which is like this amazing treasure trove for space enthusiasts.
Yeah.
So buckle up, because we're about to discover how these like seemingly different frontiers share a surprising amount in common.
It is really fascinating how often we find that things that seem totally unrelated share these unexpected connections.
Yeah.
And in this case, Antarctica and outer space, while they're very different environments, both represent like this fundamental human drive to push beyond what we know, to explore the extreme,
Totally.
and to test the limits of what we can do, our ingenuity.
Yeah. You know, I was reading about those early 19th century expeditions to Antarctica.
Yeah.
And I was thinking about like those ships battling like treacherous waters. And I couldn't help but think of them as being like the very first spaceships.
Oh, interesting.
Like venturing into the unknown.
Yeah.
Just like astronauts do today.
Exactly. It is that same spirit of daring and a thirst for the unknown that unites them.
It's so true.
Both those early explorers and our modern-day astronauts were driven by, this desire to chart new territories, expand our understanding of the world, and ultimately the universe.
Yeah. And then there's that whole period known as the heroic age of Antarctic exploration.
The heroic age?
We're talking Shackleton, Scott, Amundsen.
Yeah.
Names that are practically synonymous with adventure.
Right. Pushing human endurance to the limit.
Totally.
And it's interesting? That era in Antarctica kind of mirrors the space race.
Oh, wow.
In a way that's almost uncanny.
Yeah.
Both were marked by this intense competition to get those firsts, to push boundaries and capture the world's imagination.
Totally.
It was like the same human drama playing out on two completely different stages.
Oh, that's such a great point.
Yeah.
You know, like those stories about Amundsen's South Pole expedition in 1911.
Oh, yeah.
Like, imagine navigating those brutal conditions.
It's unbelievable.
With the technology they had.
Yeah.
They had to be so resourceful just to survive, let alone succeed.
Absolutely. Amundsen's expedition is like the perfect example of the kind of ingenuity and resilience that you need to survive in those environments.
Yeah.
From adapting their equipment and their strategies to developing like a deep understanding of that landscape. Those early explorers set the stage for so much of what we use in Antarctic and space exploration today.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah.
But what I found so interesting is how things kind of shifted in Antarctica from that almost like obsessive focus on individual conquest to more of a collaborative scientific approach. Like the International Geophysical Year in 1957, 1958. That's a great example of that.
The International Geophysical Year was a pivotal moment, really.
Okay.
Think about it. 12 nations.
Wow.
Some of them were, Cold War rivals.
Oh, yeah.
Put aside their political differences.
Wow.
To work together in Antarctica.
It's amazing.
They built research stations, they shared data, they worked together on these scientific projects.
Yeah.
It shows how powerful the pursuit of knowledge can be.
Totally.
In overcoming even the deepest divides.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
And that spirit of collaboration paved the way for the Antarctic Treaty in 1961, which basically designated the entire continent for peaceful purposes and scientific research.
And here's where the parallels with space exploration get even more striking.
Right.
Just as the International Geophysical Year fostered this unprecedented cooperation in Antarctica.
Right.
We see a similar shift happening in the space race.
Okay.
That initial rivalry between the U.S. and the Soviet Union gradually gave way to missions. It was the Apollo-Soyuz test project in 1975, which ultimately led to the International Space Station.
Of course.
Like one of the greatest examples of global collaboration in history.
It's incredible how that model of international cooperation forged in the icy wilderness of Antarctica ended up influencing our approach to space.
Exactly. And the Outer Space Treaty of 1967 further solidified this commitment to peaceful exploration and scientific exchange in space.
It's like both of those treaties are blueprints for future exploration.
Yes, absolutely.
They really show that, collaboration, not competition, is the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe.
I like that. Unlocking the secrets of the universe.
So we see the spirit of daring in the early days, followed by this really inspiring shift towards collaboration.
Right.
But let's, get down to the nitty-gritty.
Okay.
What makes these environments so uniquely challenging?
Yeah.
I mean, we're talking extreme temperatures, total isolation, the need for specialized technology. It's not a walk in the park.
No, it's not.
Right.
Both Antarctica and space throw some serious curveballs at you.
They do.
But what's so fascinating is how often they demand similar solutions.
Oh, that's interesting. Yeah. Like in Antarctica, you've got extreme cold and ferocious winds.
Right. I mean, I can barely handle a light breeze.
Oh, right not.
Let alone those conditions.
Yeah. And then in space, you've got a whole other set of challenges.
Totally.
Right. That vacuum, microgravity, radiation. But it's amazing that despite these different obstacles, the solutions are so similar.
That's right.
We're talking pressurized habitats.
Right.
Advanced clothing.
Yeah.
Life support systems.
It highlights just how far human ingenuity can go when it comes to survival.
And it's not just about humans braving these environments anymore, right?
No, not anymore.
Robotics have become so essential.
Oh, yeah, absolutely essential.
In both Antarctica and space exploration.
Think about it.
Yeah.
You've got these rovers crossing the vast icy landscapes of Antarctica, mapping out uncharted territory, gathering data.
Yeah.
And then you've got rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance.
I love those names.
Exploring the surface of Mars.
Right.
Sending back these incredible images and information.
Yeah, it's like we're extending our own curiosity, our own desire to explore through robots.
Like our robotic emissaries.
I love that.
Yeah.
But speaking of challenges, what about the human explorers? The psychological toll that isolation and confinement takes.
It's huge.
On both researchers in Antarctica and astronauts.
The psychological aspect of exploration is often overlooked.
Yeah, you're right.
But it's absolutely critical.
For sure.
And Antarctica and space exploration give us these incredible insights into the effects of isolation on the human mind.
It's true.
Whether it's researchers spending months at a remote base or astronauts on the ISS, the challenges of confinement and limited social interaction are very real.
It makes you realize that exploring these frontiers isn't just about overcoming physical obstacles, but also pushing the limits of human resilience and mental fortitude.
And that's another area where Antarctica is so valuable as an analog for space missions. The research done there on group dynamics, mental health, and stress is directly applicable to preparing astronauts for long-duration space flights.
It's like a testing ground for the human psyche
Right.
in these extreme environments.
That's a great way to put it.
It's amazing how these two fields are so intertwined.
It is.
But it's not all hardship and challenges, is it?
No, not at all.
There's also this incredible sense of wonder.
Of course.
And inspiration.
Yes.
That both Antarctica and space evoke.
What really draws us to these environments is that they represent humanity's desire to push boundaries, to seek knowledge beyond what's familiar, to explore the unknown.
Yes.
That sense of wonder, that drive to discover, it transcends individual achievements.
Totally.
It unites us all as human beings.
It's so true. It's that spirit of exploration that connects us, whether we're looking up at the stars or marveling at the vastness of the Antarctic ice.
Exactly.
And it's so exciting to think about what the future holds. For both of these frontiers.
Looking ahead, we see some really cool developments.
Oh, yeah.
On both fronts. In Antarctica, research continues to focus on climate change. Understanding those fragile ecosystems. And delving deeper into the continent's history.
So interesting.
In space, the next big leap is Mars.
Of course.
Plans for human missions are becoming more concrete.
It's pretty amazing.
But beyond Mars lies the allure of the outer solar system.
I know.
With its icy moons and gas giants.
It's incredible.
Beckoning us to explore even further.
I can't wait.
Yeah.
And as we venture into these uncharted territories, we have to consider the ethics of it all.
You're absolutely right.
Right.
As our capabilities in both Antarctica and space exploration keep advancing,
yeah,
so too must our ethical awareness.
Good point.
We're not just explorers.
Yeah.
We're stewards of these extraordinary environments.
Right.
And our actions today will shape their future for generations to come.
That's a big responsibility.
It is. We need to approach these endeavors with a deep sense of responsibility.
Yeah.
Ensuring that our pursuit of knowledge and exploration goes hand in hand with a commitment to preservation and sustainability.
It's clear that we have so much to learn from Antarctica.
We do.
Lessons that can guide us as we reach for the stars.
Absolutely.
And speaking of learning,
yeah,
that's where the SpaceInfo Club comes in.
They are fantastic.
Offering this amazing resource.
Yes.
For anyone who wants to delve deeper into space.
The SpaceInfo Club provides a wealth of information.
Oh, yeah.
For space enthusiasts of all levels.
Yeah.
From beginners to experts.
It's amazing to think that there's this whole community out there who are fascinated by space just like us.
Yeah.
And the SpaceInfo Club brings them together.
It's a hub.
It is.
Connecting people, providing them with the tools and resources.
Yes.
They need to learn, explore, and share their passion for space.
You know, it really reminds us of that international collaboration that's so important in Antarctica and space exploration.
The SpaceInfo Club embodies that spirit perfectly, bringing together people from all over the world.
It's a great reminder that space exploration transcends national boundaries.
It does.
It's about all of us coming together to explore the cosmos, to push the boundaries of what we know, and inspire future generations to reach for the stars.
That's what it's all about.
And the SpaceInfo Club plays a key role in facilitating that global collaboration.
For sure.
Creating a space for knowledge sharing, networking, and community building.
So whether you're just starting your journey,
or
you're a seasoned space enthusiast,
I
highly recommend checking out the SpaceInfo Club. It's a fantastic resource for learning, connecting, and getting inspired by the possibilities of space.
It's amazing how those parallels between Antarctica and space extend beyond just the history and technology.
Right.
You know, when you think about the discoveries we've made in both of these extreme environments,
it's true.
It highlights how connected our planet is with the cosmos. Both have yielded incredible scientific breakthroughs that have changed our understanding of our planet and the universe.
That's a great point.
Take Antarctica.
Yeah.
The research there has been crucial in understanding climate change.
Absolutely. Those vast ice sheets hold so much information about Earth's past climate.
It's incredible.
Allowing scientists to track changes in temperature, greenhouse gas levels, sea level over thousands of years.
And those findings are crucial for understanding the future of climate change.
Exactly.
And for developing ways to mitigate its effects.
It shows how studying an extreme environment like Antarctica can have a direct impact on the entire planet.
And it's not just climate change.
Right.
Antarctica's a biodiversity hotspot.
Yes.
With unique ecosystems that have adapted to some of the harshest conditions on Earth.
By studying those organisms, scientists can learn about the limits of life.
It's
the incredible adaptability of species.
Right.
And even the potential for life to exist in other extreme environments.
Like other planets.
Like maybe even other planets.
It's mind-blowing to think that these tiny creatures in Antarctica could hold clues to finding life beyond Earth.
It underscores how interconnected all living things are.
It does.
And how protecting these ecosystems isn't just about preserving biodiversity, but about understanding the very nature of life itself.
It's a profound thought.
It is.
And let's not forget about the discoveries made through space exploration.
Of course not.
From the Hubble telescope's stunning images of distant galaxies to the Mars rovers exploring the red planet.
Right.
Our understanding of the universe and our place in it has been forever changed.
Those Hubble images are truly awe-inspiring.
They are.
They've given us a glimpse into the vastness and beauty of the cosmos.
It's so true.
Igniting our imaginations.
Yes.
Inspiring generations of scientists and explorers.
And the Mars rovers with their ability to travel across Mars and analyze the geology.
They've provided evidence of liquid water.
Wow.
On the surface in the past.
That's amazing.
Suggesting that Mars might have once been habitable.
Wow. So life might have existed on another planet.
It's incredible, isn't it?
It's both exhilarating and humbling.
It is.
It makes us rethink our place in the universe.
It's a testament to the importance of continued space exploration.
Yeah.
Every new discovery brings us closer to answering those fundamental questions about the origins of life and the possibility of life beyond Earth.
And as we push further, who knows what we'll find.
It's so exciting to think about.
Other habitable planets, signs of intelligent life.
It's possible.
The possibilities are endless.
They are, and as we explore, we'll face new challenges.
Of course.
That will require innovative solutions.
That's right.
And a continued spirit of collaboration.
It's clear that the journey of exploration, whether in Antarctica or space, is ongoing. And full of challenges and rewards.
And with organizations like the SpaceInfo Club, empowering people to learn and participate, the future of exploration is bright.
It really is.
It is.
It's been an incredible journey so far.
It has.
Wouldn't you say?
Absolutely.
And it's not over yet.
No, it's not.
We still have more ground to cover.
We do.
So we were just talking about the SpaceInfo Club and how they make learning about space accessible to everyone.
Right.
It's really cool how they offer so much free content on their website. It's like they're saying, hey, you don't need a fancy degree to be part of this journey of discovery.
Exactly. And what's really impressive is how much they cover.
I know, right?
It's everything from like the basics of astronomy and the history of spaceflight to more complex topics like astrophysics and the latest space technology.
I was browsing their website. And they have courses on spacecraft design.
Oh, wow.
Can you imagine?
That's so cool.
Learning how those incredible machines are built.
It's amazing.
And they even have stuff on orbital mechanics.
Oh, wow.
Space policy and the commercial space industry.
It really is a one-stop shop.
It is.
For anyone who wants to explore any aspect of space.
Yeah, and what I find really valuable is that a lot of their resources are created by actual space professionals.
Oh, that's awesome.
Engineers, scientists, astronauts who share their firsthand experiences.
It's like getting a glimpse behind the scenes of what it's really like to work in the space industry.
It's like having those experts right there with you.
Yeah.
Guiding you through it all. And they don't just stick to the website.
No.
They have a YouTube channel.
Oh, cool.
A podcast. So you can learn on the go.
Yeah, wherever you are.
And their social media. Oh, yeah.
They're constantly engaging with the space community.
I've seen that.
On Twitter, Instagram, Facebook.
That's great.
Sharing news, updates, thought-provoking content.
It's really inspiring.
It is.
To see them fostering this global community of space enthusiasts.
You know, it goes back to what we were talking about before.
Yeah.
The importance of international collaboration.
Right.
In Antarctica and space exploration.
The SpaceInfo Club really embodies that.
They do.
Bringing together people from all over the world.
It's a great reminder that space exploration transcends national boundaries.
It does.
It's about humanity as a whole coming together to explore.
Yes.
Pushing the boundaries of what we know.
Right.
Inspiring future generations.
To reach for the stars.
Exactly.
That's what it's all about.
And the SpaceInfo Club plays a key role in that.
They really do.
Creating that space for knowledge sharing, networking, community building.
So whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned space enthusiast.
Right. Check out the SpaceInfo Club.
I agree.
It's an amazing resource for learning, connecting, and getting inspired.
You know, it's fascinating to think that these parallels between Antarctica and space go beyond just the historical and technological stuff.
Right.
When you think about the discoveries we've made in both,
it's true.
It shows how connected our planet is with the cosmos.
That's a great point.
Both have given us these incredible breakthroughs.
They have.
That have changed our understanding of our planet and the universe.
Take Antarctica, for example.
Okay.
The research there has been so important for understanding climate change.
Those ice sheets.
Those massive ice sheets.
Hold so much information about Earth's past climate.
They allow scientists to track changes in temperature, greenhouse gas levels, sea levels over thousands of years.
And those findings are crucial.
They are.
For modeling future climate scenarios.
Exactly.
And finding ways to deal with climate change.
It shows how studying Antarctica can have a direct impact on the whole planet.
And it's not just about climate change.
Right.
Antarctica is a biodiversity hotspot.
Yes, it is.
With these unique ecosystems that have adapted to such harsh conditions.
By studying those organisms, scientists can learn about the limits of life, the adaptability of species.
It's amazing.
And even the potential for life. In other extreme environments.
Like other planets.
Maybe even other planets.
It's crazy to think
I know, right?
that these little creatures in Antarctica could hold clues to finding life beyond Earth.
It really shows how connected all living things are.
It does.
And that protecting these ecosystems isn't just about preserving biodiversity, but about understanding the nature of life itself.
It's a deep thought.
It is.
And let's not forget the amazing discoveries from space exploration. From the Hubble telescope's images.
Of the stunning images.
Of distant galaxies.
It's hard to believe they're real.
I know.
They're so beautiful.
To the Mars rovers exploring that red planet. Our understanding of the universe and our place in it has been totally transformed.
Those Hubble images are truly awe-inspiring.
They are.
They've given us a glimpse into the vastness and beauty of the cosmos.
They spark our imagination.
They do.
And inspire generations of scientists and explorers.
And those Mars rovers, with their ability to roam around Mars and analyze its geology,
have given us evidence that there was once liquid water on the surface.
Which suggests that Mars might have been a much more habitable place.
Wow. So life could have existed on another planet.
It's an incredible thought, isn't it?
It's mind-blowing.
It really is.
It makes you question our place in the universe.
It makes you realize how important continued space exploration is. Every new discovery brings us closer to answering those big questions.
Right, like where did life come from?
Exactly.
And are we alone?
And as we keep exploring, who knows what else we'll find.
It's exciting.
It is.
Maybe we'll find other planets that could support life.
Maybe.
Maybe even signs of intelligent life.
You never know.
The possibilities are endless.
They really are.
But as we explore, we're going to face new challenges.
We will.
That will need creative solutions.
Of course.
And continued collaboration.
Absolutely. It's clear that exploration, whether it's in Antarctica or space, is an ongoing journey full of challenges and rewards.
And with organizations like the SpaceInfo Club, empowering people to learn and get involved. The future of exploration is bright.
It really is.
Welcome back to our deep dive. We've been tracing these parallels between exploring Antarctica and outer space. And we've seen how these seemingly distinct frontiers are connected by adventure, by technology.
Of course.
And most importantly, a growing emphasis on international collaboration.
I think that's key.
But as we kind of stand at the edge of these even more ambitious endeavors, it's time to consider the ethics.
Absolutely, you're right. Our ability to explore both Antarctica and space is just advancing so rapidly.
It is.
And with that power
comes responsibility.
Exactly. We have a responsibility to act ethically.
It's true.
You know, we're not just explorers anymore. We're stewards of these incredible environments.
It's a big responsibility.
It is. And the choices we make today will have a lasting impact on their future.
So let's unpack some of these ethical considerations. Like, in Antarctica, one of the biggest concerns is environmental protection.
Of course.
You know, it's home to some of the most pristine ecosystems on Earth.
Really.
So fragile.
And any human activity there has the potential to disrupt that balance.
We're already seeing the impacts of climate change in Antarctica.
Oh, wow.
Melting glaciers, shifting wildlife.
It's scary to think about.
Rising sea levels.
Yeah, as we go further into the continent. Exploring new areas, maybe even extracting resources.
It's critical that we do it carefully.
With respect for the environment.
The Antarctic Treaty provides a good framework for this.
It does.
But it's an ongoing challenge to ensure that everything is done sustainably and responsibly.
It takes a global commitment.
It does.
To collaboration, to science, to recognizing the value of this ecosystem.
And it's not just about protecting Antarctica. It's about understanding that what happens there affects the whole planet.
And those same principles apply as we venture into space.
Exactly.
As we explore other planets, we need to be mindful of contamination.
Planetary protection is so important.
We don't want to accidentally introduce Earth life to other worlds.
It's not just about preserving the potential for finding alien life. It's about respecting these environments, understanding that they have their own unique evolution.
It's mind-blowing to think that we have the ability to potentially influence evolution on other planets.
It is. It's a huge responsibility.
And beyond just the environmental concerns, there are also ethical questions about exploiting space resources.
That's a good point.
As we look towards a more permanent human presence in space, we need clear guidelines for how we extract and use resources.
To make sure it's done fairly.
Yes, equitably and sustainably.
We've got to learn from our mistakes on Earth.
Yeah, we do.
And do better as we move into the cosmos.
It's like the Wild West.
It is, kind of.
But on a cosmic scale.
Yeah.
We need to be very thoughtful about this.
And that brings us to another key part of ethical exploration.
Okay.
Sharing the knowledge.
Yes, the benefits.
The discoveries made in Antarctica and space.
Right.
They belong to all of us.
They do.
And it's so important that scientific data and advancements are shared openly.
Absolutely.
And used to benefit all of society.
That open collaboration has been such a key part.
It has. Exploration in both places.
It's not just about scientific progress.
Right.
It's about global cooperation.
Yeah.
Making sure everyone benefits.
Exactly. And it's not just about sharing between scientists and nations.
Right.
It's about engaging the public.
Getting people excited.
Inspiring future generations.
Yes.
Fostering that sense of wonder.
That's where groups like the SpaceInfo Club come in.
They're so valuable.
They make space exploration accessible and engaging.
For everyone.
It's a reminder that anyone can be a part of this.
Exactly.
That the pursuit of knowledge unites us all.
As we wrap up, I think it's important to reflect
on the impacts
that
Antarctica and space exploration have had on us.
They've challenged us.
They have.
They've expanded our horizons.
They've made us face some of the biggest questions.
They've shown us the power of human ingenuity, resilience, and collaboration.
And as we keep exploring both our planet and the cosmos.
Who knows what's out there?
What new knowledge, what challenges?
The journey of exploration. It's a continuous process, full of challenges and rewards.
And as long as we approach it with a sense of wonder, a commitment to ethics.
And that spirit of collaboration.
The possibilities are limitless.
They really are.
To all the explorers out there.
Yes.
Keep looking up.
Keep asking those questions.
Dreaming big.
Because you never know.
The next big discovery
could be right around the corner.
And that's a wrap.
Yeah.
On our deep dive into Antarctica and outer space.
Thanks for joining us.
Until next time.
Keep exploring.